Deep inside the constellation of Cygnus, orbiting the Sun-like star Kepler 22, is the terrestrial giant Kepler 22b. Discovered in 2011, it has an orbital period of about 290 days and a mass equivalent of 36 Earths. Previously named Earth 2.0 by scientists, the location of the planet in its sun's habitable zone and a seemingly hydrogen-rich atmosphere had raised speculations of a probable life-supporting planet. Kepler 22b rotates laterally, which leads to half of the planet being bathed in light or darkness for 6 months each. Being a predominantly oceanic planet, the terrain generated on the surface is fragmented and disjoint. Massive turbulences driven by water have continued to erode the landscape, resulting in a scratchy, fractal textural language in the terrain. The planet has a dense atmosphere, which absorbs most of the light it receives, making it a relatively dark planet. Let us experience both sides of this rocky giant. The low temperatures during the darker half of the year results in snow accumulation over the terrain. There is, however, a significant amount of precipitation which comes down as highly acidic rain, which creates acidic swamps in the valleys among the rocks. Within the crevices of these rocks, one can notice the glowing minerals formed by deposits of calcite and fluoride materials by tidal-high floods. The acid fumes, reacting with the rocks and the atmospheric gases, create quite the foggy weather on the planet. Creeping lichens are the only organism that manage to persist through these harsh climatic conditions. In the half year when there is light, the temperature change causes all the snow to melt, raising the water level significantly, as the ambience becomes much more foggy than usual. In this warm weather, Kepler 22b becomes much more lively, as bioluminescent marine life starts showing up. Spiny, tentacular insects start making their way out of hibernation from within the cracks of the rocks and feed on the lichens, which also start growing thanks to all the light. Needless to say, Kepler 22b seems to be quite a bipolar planet in this regard.